What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nick here, and I'm back with another home update. So I'm over here right now at the property. I see that they have now brought the brick. They are now going to start putting the brick on the house, which is exciting. Right now I'm going to give you a glimpse of really what's going on around the house, like on the inside of the house. So I'm about to insert clips of that right now. Supposed to be right here. Yeah, it's gonna be a longer porch. No, it's not gonna be just right here. A whole porch right here. Yeah. I wanna see if I can look through this window.
Can't go in.
No, can't go in yet. Cause we don't know if it's safe to walk in yet. But this like the flex room, I guess.
So, what's the flex room?
This, which I said was like smaller than what I thought it would be.
What is the flex room?
Where the dining table, and then
the
that.
dining room table could definitely fit there.
You need a lift.
Oh, it's kind of nice. Oh, downstairs.
And then that's supposed to be where the fireplace gonna be, and then the family room, the dining room, and then yeah, the kitchen gonna be over there.
What about?
And then these steps lead to the basement.
Where steps? I can't even see over there.
Right here.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
And what about
That's
in
gonna
those
be the
steps with to upstairs?
basement.
That I don't know. I think it would have
The
to be.
upstairs upstairs.
Because maybe.
It'll be the basement or not. Look, they got the stairs already up there a little bit. We're gonna walk around the back. This is the backyard land. And you see how it's a distance between both of these houses and the other ones, because you know you have to pay the extra for the land. And it do make a difference because those houses is close.
I actually got a pool back here.
Perfect.
The egress window, yeah.
That looks big from here.
Yep, that'll be the basement.
Give y'all patio door.
It's crazy they already got windows and stuff.
Hey, what's up with this?
There ain't no TV in there.
They got the patio door, the window, and
The TV.
it do look like that would be the basement then.
That has to be the basement. That's the only step leading down. Right there.
You got the family
Family
room.
room. What's this?
This is gonna be
kitchen?
the kitchen more than likely, yeah.
And what's that?
That's gonna be a pantry.
Okay.
And maybe a laundry room too. Cause the laundry
This is the
room
laundry room right here.
right here.
Look like, what's this area right there?
Something
Maybe
is,
that's the pantry and that's the laundry.
yeah, it's a pantry and a laundry room, yeah.
That's the pantry and that's the laundry.
So we all gonna go.
It's gonna be upstairs.
I feel like I should get some stuff back here.
Fireplace.
Yeah, that'll be the fireplace.
What if you
The
can get
family
the
room.
dimensions of the dining room just to check for that?
Yeah, I got it on the layout.
Okay, so you need to see how long that table is.
Yeah. Cause we got the plumbing in the basement for the future bathroom. So it's gonna be 2 bathrooms upstairs, 1 down here, and then 1 in the basement. And then, yeah, the 3 bedrooms upstairs, future bedroom in the basement too. Okay, so that's pretty much what's going on the inside of the house. Now I'm about to show you guys the exterior. I mean, it's not really much going on with that, honestly. They have the brick laid out next to the house, so I'm guessing that's the next steps. I'm not gonna get out right now today because it's muddy outside, but I am gonna give you a little look at the brick. Everybody's staring at me. These people probably be like, why is this girl always coming over here? Because I live here! I hope y'all day is going great. What you doing right now? Let me know in the comments below. The brick right here. They're going to start putting the brick on the house more than likely pretty soon. So that's the update on the house. I hope you guys are just excited as we are to give us some tips. If you have any tips, let us know in the comments below. If you're building a house right now, let me know in the comments below. We can start this journey together. Y'all, it's so funny. I'm gonna bring a case of water or something over here for these workers because they just be looking at me and I just be looking at them and we just be looking at each other. Got like a little pond with a little water fountain there. But yeah, guys, so like I said, that's pretty much the update today. Up to date for the house. So I'll be giving you guys another video on what's going on. You know, I'm not gonna leave y'all out. I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging because y'all like the other video. So I really appreciate that, and that's showing me that y'all want more updates on the house. So if you like this video as well, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button so I know to keep going with this journey on building the house. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Bye. Mwah.